Hello. So sharing my um, task for today. For today, I work on the smart matching chat screen, and I focused on creating a screen for conversation. So, for example, here the user will uh, uh, um, have a conversation with the smart matching screen. um, have to look something like this. And I also created a cards for for the display of the sources. And I also created which will be grabbed on the back end by Smart Matching Hub screen. So these are the cards. I have made two example here, one without the image and one with the image. And here we have below the image, here we have the title, the tags or the hashtags, and some description of the source. And below that, we have the um, save icon here, and more icon here. Let's say, for example, you want to have more options for this card here. But yeah, I haven't added it yet because I haven't think of any functionality to add for this icon here. So yeah, and yeah, that's that's really it for my update. But I created a flow for us, or for us to see how it will um, look look like in interacting interacting with the screen. So we have like a general view of um, how the user will search or have a conversation with Smart Matching Hub screen. So yeah, for example here, so this is the default screen of the Smart Matching screen. So yeah, the user will have to type uh, uh, the 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 topic that they want to search. So the user will have to type, let's say for example, the user is looking for best fermentation process for 2025. Once done, the user can click or tap enter or click this icon here. So as you can see earlier, we have like the loading for the chat here. So we have like a micro animation for that. So this is actually the component for that. So I'll have to create like a micro animation for us to see the loading animation for this screen. So this one is just for example, just so we can have a like a general view for it. And yeah, once the results has been displayed, so it will display the cards with the sources on the chat box. So it can be scrolled horizontally. The cut here will indicate that there are more sources in the right side of the screen that the user can scroll down or drag left and right. So let's say the user wants to narrow down the search to three sources. So the user will have to type in sources, narrow the search to three results. Then once done, the user can click enter or click this icon here. So as you can see there again the micro animation for the loading chat. And yeah, this is an example for narrowing the search results and to three sources. So let's say the smart matching hub screen types. All right, I have narrowed down the result to three best fermentation process for 2025. By the way, these are just an example. So it's um, based on how the chat GPT um, generates the sentences. So yeah, these are the cards that um, the backend grabs and the sources. So we have three results here. Yeah, and of course it can be scrollable up and down. This one can also uh, scroll to horizontal, so the user can um, browse this chat here. So and sorry, I forgot to say earlier. So we just to clear the confusion. So in here we are in the smart matching screen, and once the user creates a conversation with the smart matching screen, it will automatically add the conversation here. So in here in this area here will be displayed all the conversations of the user. Uh, um, that is categorized by dates. So, for example, we have the list here for today, and then the date yesterday. The user has also some conversation. The user has also some conversation searches in Smart Matching screen. So it will be displayed here. Yeah, that's it for my update.